Right, so that's nicely dissolved. Not much point trying to show you really, nothing else to see. And now we're going to add about a tablespoon and a half of our ketchup. So, excuse me. 1, 2, well, 1.5. Right, okay. So we add that, give that a little mix in. Okay, still got the heat on, very low heat now. Okay, and then we want 2 tablespoons tamarind. Okay, so, woo, gone everywhere. 1, 2. Okay, get that in there. It hasn't all gone in there, but we're going to be using this to measure out the soy sauce anyway, so give it a rinse out then. So that's gone in there. We're going to get that mixed up. So now that's gone nice and dark. I don't know if you can see that very well. Okay, we're going to give that still heating, gentle heat. Get that nicely mixed in. Okay. So clean all that mess off that tamarind. Normally keep this in the fridge along with ketchup. Huge debate, should you keep ketchup in the fridge, should you not keep ketchup in the fridge? If you don't keep ketchup in the fridge, and you don't get through it too quick, it goes mouldy, and I know that from experience. But you'll still get people that don't put the ketchup in the fridge. Put your ketchup in the fridge, don't want it mouldy. Right, so heating that through, heating it through, heating it through, heating it through.